Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's scroll down again to find encryption and credentials, and here let's tap on clear credentials. Now let's tap on OK. If you've got any kind of screen or corner set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been raised successfully. What's more, we've got the evidence here. We cannot tap on the clear credentials again. So basically that's all. This is how to remove certificates in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.